One way to speed up development of ICE designs is by using something called typicals. Typicals are pre-generated shapes that you can basically stamp or draw on the page. And you will find several typicals listed online under ICE typicals. I have selected here one that is a sign, basically a Panduit logo sign, that I would like to basically stamp into my drawings and not have to continue recreating this object every time I build out a new design that needs to have this logo in it, either on the wall or on a cabinet. So to do that, I need to go up. First, I need to select the object by clicking on it, and then go up to the Create Typical symbol, which is located directly left of the Layers button. Left click on that one time, and then give it a name. Panduit sign, or Panduit logo. And I will say this is a 24 by 20-inch sign with Panduit's logo. You can then select the folder that you want to save this. You are not allowed to save typicals in the root folder, so create a new folder by clicking on the new folder button, and also ensure that you have the save for all sessions checked. It's checked by default, so you shouldn't really have to do anything there. I'm going to save this under Hogan Shapes, and so I'll click the Save button. The next screen gives you a way to select a potential picture for what will show up in the selection tree. There's not a lot of controls you're going to get over this, and it may not be looking quite like you'd want. In this case, it's just a single yellow box. I'm just going to hit OK. I search for things by their name or tooltip number, and that's how we're going to find that. So now we've created a new shape, and if we go down here looking for Panduit sign, let's see here, Panduit logo, there it is. It's in my tree. I'll click on that one time, and now I can stamp that in multiple times. And this saves you a lot of speed and time because you're not having to recreate the wheel all the time. Some other typical ideas for you. They don't have to be just single objects. I've created a typical that includes 3 pan zones fully loaded on an overhead rack. So let's drop one of those in to show you kind of what that looks like. And you can also select a full rack of server rack full of 1RU servers. And I can actually, since this is a Panduit rack, I can draw on several at a time. And so as you can see, we are able to very quickly set up a row of cabinets all preloaded with servers, and I didn't have to go to the elevation view and drop anything in. So take a look at typicals. They can really help you out.